Good morning, y'all. It's April 15th, and it's finally time to clean out the pollinator bed. Here in coastal Virginia, today is supposed to be 91 degrees by noon. So it's about 8:15 in the morning. I'm trying to take advantage of the cool spring day. Got to have some caffeine. First thing we're going to tackle is this wild bergamot or bee balm. As you can see, it's emerging quite nicely. I'm just going to be cutting back all of these stems to the base that are no longer needed. I'm simply using my shears. While I'm down in here, I'm going to try to pull any weeds that are coming through. Now, would this have been easier if I had done this a couple of weeks ago before the bergamot had started coming up? Absolutely. However, you want to leave the old stems until the pollinators emerge. You don't have to use shears. You can just go in and snap off the branches, whatever works for you. Next, we're going to tackle the lantana. This is going to be easy to clean up because I just simply have to whack it all the way back to the ground. I have an idea. So if you can't do it through manual tools, there's always electric tools. So my husband found my loppers. This is the new growth for the lantana. You can clearly see that it's coming out from the root ball. Lantana will get to be massive. Next, we're going to take care of all these new trees that are trying to grow next to my house. So here we go with all the trees removed. So now we're going to give this lavender a good haircut. Since I haven't trimmed it in a year, it's pretty scraggly and it will be happy for springtime and summer growth. So now we're going to give it a good water. I had intended on waiting a couple of weeks before I bought plants, but you know, I'm a gardener. I lasted 2 days, I think, before I started buying plants. So let's take a look and see what I purchased and planted in this wonderful pollinator bed. So the first thing that I added to these garden bed are these right here. These are called Dianthus, also known as bath pinks. They go best in full sun and they are deer resistant, and butterflies apparently really like them. Here we have zinnias, 2 different color zinnias. Right there we have dill, and this right here are black-eyed Susans. Here we have some hummingbird mint. It's a perennial. It loves full sun. It's deer resistant. Apparently hummingbirds like this as well as other pollinators. It's in the mint family. I suspect I'm going to regret the decision to put it directly in the ground, but we shall see. So here we have coral honeysuckle. We're going to train it across this lattice work on this one side of the trash cans. And here on the other side of the trash cans, I have another lattice work that my wonderful husband installed for me. This honeysuckle is native to this area. It is called John Clayton yellow honeysuckle. It was originally discovered in Gloucester, which is a county just to the north of us, and hummingbirds really do like this as well. You see, it will climb up that lattice work on the opposite side of where the butterfly bush is. My pollinator bed is, 80% done. I do have some spaces that I'm going to save for some milkweed. Thank you so much for joining me in this journey today. Please check out some of my other videos on my channel. Give me a like and subscribe. Happy gardening.